So today we're gonna fix the exhaust. Yesterday we drive this thing a little around, so the resonator broke. It sounds like tractor again. What I need to do is take it off to see what's wrong. I have an idea what's wrong, so keys in. Okay, you can hear it. So it's fucked. So yeah, this is the problem. This is the problem. So you can see. So this part is fucked up. So I'm just gonna. Now I need to go to exhaust shop. So I'm just back from the exhaust shop. So he made this. On one side he made like that band, and what I'm going to do is add this to this pipe, just cut here somewhere, we'll see where, weld it on, and it's gonna be mint. Junk is gonna be loud as fuck. Oh, I just installed a new sticker, so we need to represent. I'm going to change the fuel filter, so I need just to remove this heat shield. So this is the old one, as you can see. I think this was changed or not, I don't know. So you know what we're gonna do, we're gonna open it to see how it looks. I think the car is running a little bit better when the pedal is to the floor, so I think this was a great stuff. You must maintain your cars because it's better that way. Dissected the filter. Here it is. It's nasty. It's nasty. So here we have a Ford Focus. I have a key. So we're gonna work on this snatch. So here, how to open the front. Something like this. So it's two-handed action. I don't know where is the latch. Nope. Oh, okay. Now opened. So 16 volts D-Tech S engine. So what we need to do is change the spark plugs. Look how the belt, timing belt is looking. Change the oil, change all that stuff. Play it off. Just 6 bolts. They're all the same. If I can even get it. Okay. So here's the old filter. As you can see, it's I don't know if you can see that. Fuck. See all that stuff. And this is the new one. So you can see comparison. Change your air filters.
Spark plug time. Here they are. Oh yes. 16 of course it is.
Oh my god.
The tide is full.
Oh.
Yes. Oh, we have to check if the spark plugs are the same the ones we bought, because
Yeah,
if they're not, yeah, you're screwed.
So the guy gave me original Ford spark plugs, so maybe they are, maybe they don't. So the first, oh shit. So
It's a bit crispy. Focus.
a bit crispy, a bit,
Come on, focus.
a bit oily
Yeah,
on the.
there it is. NGK.
So these are genuine Ford
Spark
spark
plugs.
plugs.
Yes.
I hope these are the right one. I don't know, didn't taste it. So they look
Same length,
same.
so it's good, because some Fords have like longer spark plugs, the older ones, and you could smash your pistons into them, so that wouldn't be cool. Damn, those plugs are like really worn. There's almost no plug anymore.
Look at this. It's like
shit too.
With the news.
Much better. Fresh plugs in. Oh yeah. We gotta sound test this thing. Now we got blocked by machines. God damn it.
So it's little rubbing.
Oh yeah. This is hella straight pipe. Just check muffler and that's it.
Who cares?
Yeah. Today's cardio.
So today we're gonna work on the Straightpiping Favorit Diamond Skoda Favorit replacement part qualified. So I don't know what does mean. These were cheap, but we had some problem with finding the quarter ones. So these are the quarter ones. They look very cheap, but they're Chinese, so. And these are the side ones, and they're full black, not like silver line. And I don't forget, I'm preparing the wheels, so to be painted. So this is the last one that I need to sand. This is how it looks. Has a heavy mind that you need to change the bulbs because you have only the white bulbs because of the red, so you need then buy the red bulbs and yellow bulbs for the indicators. So that's it. Look who is here. He was one of the first members when we did the Calibra. Bye.